Open MaxTest software. It will remind you to choose the 5,000 Newton load cell. Click Settings. Select a load sensor. You can see that the first one is 5 kilonewtons. The second one is 0.5 kilonewtons. Select 5 kilonewtons. Click OK. Click the arrow to choose the test standard. We will perform a tensile test for plastic. Select ASTM D638. Click New to import sample information. For this operator, the sample type is flat. Enter the width and thickness. The section area will be automatically calculated. L means the gauge length. Set strain at 10%, then click OK. Close the data pad. The Stop After Failure option should be yellow. When the sample breaks, the software will automatically stop. Select Tensile mode. The unit is LBF. Before the test, click Clear to zero the load, extension, and displacement. Choose Displacement Control. Select the test speed. Click 0.5 inches per minute, or select 1 inch per minute, then click Start a Test. During the test, you can check curve types like load time, load extension, and stress strain. Now click Start. The sample breaks. The software automatically stops. Click Data to check the test results. For example, for tensile force, the maximum force is 101 pounds force. You can check tensile stress, yield force, and yield strength. Click Save, then click Print to print the test report. Click Preview. You can click Edit to make changes. Save the report, then click Preview. Now let's perform a compression test. First, choose the testing standard. Select the compression test for plastic using the ASTM D638 standard. Then click New to input new sample information. Click OK, close it. The Stop After Failure option should be yellow. Once the sample breaks, the system will automatically stop the test. Select Compress. Before the test, click Clear. Select Displacement Control. For the test speed, select 0.2 inches per minute. Then click Start. For the compression test, we use slow speed. This is to avoid potential overload and damage. After the test is finished, click Data to view the test results. Click the Save button, then click Print. Finally, we will perform a bend test. Select the test standard. ASTM D638 is used for the plastic bend test. Click New to input sample information. Click OK. Close the data pad. The Stop After Failure option should be yellow. Select Compress. Before the test, click Clear to zero the load, extension, and displacement. Select Speed under Displacement Control. Set it to 1 inch per minute. Click Start. After the test is finished, click Data to check the test result. Click the Save button. Click Print.